So yesterday you were supposed to get another video on the project that we were working on, but 5 minutes into recording, my phone stopped recording because it ran out of storage space. So we lost all that footage. But I will bring you up to terms on what we're doing today. So I have cut the drawer front and glued up the panel, and I went over to my grandpa's house because he has a planer, so I ran it through the planer to get it all smooth. And then today we're gonna cut that panel that we made into the drawer fronts, and then I'll show you the inlay that we're gonna be doing in the middle of each drawer front, and hopefully we'll attach it onto each drawer. And that should be what we do in this video today. So right before we start, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, and also the notification bell, because if you don't hit the notification bells, then you don't see the videos right when I post them. So hit that and we'll get on with the project. Thank you.